Hello students, you're most welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the topic of habitat. Today we will discuss about the topic of habitat means what is habitat. First question is what is habitat? So a place where an organism lives in nature is called its habitat. A place where an organism lives in nature, एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिज्म नेचुरली रह रहा हो, उस प्लेस को क्या कहा जाता है? उसका हैबिटाट कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिजर्ट इज द हैबिटाट ऑफ कैमल्स एंड कैक्टाई. डिजर्ट इज द हैबिटाट ऑफ कैमल्स एंड कैक्टाई. एंड फॉरेस्ट इज द हैबिटाट ऑफ लायन एंड टाइगर. Forest is the habitat of lion and tiger, and grassland is the habitat of deer, and water is the habitat of fishes. Water is the habitat of fishes. यहाँ पे what हो गया है, ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, यहाँ पे water होना चाहिए. So what is habitat? Habitat is a natural place where an organism lives. जहाँ पे कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म रहता है नेचुरली, वो क्या कहलाता है? उसका हैबिटाट कहलाता है. या यू कैन से द नेचुरल ड्वेलिंग प्लेस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. द नेचुरल ड्वेलिंग प्लेस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड इट्स हैबिटाट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द components of habitats. Components of habitats. There are two main components of the habitat. There are two main components of the habitat. First is abiotic and second is biotic. We know that our habitat includes physical surrounding like water, air, soil, light, yeah, you can say sun, and all these things are grouped under two components. These are abiotic and biotic. Abiotic, A means absent. Abiotic means non-living things are without life. Bio means होता है life. Bio means life. तो abiotic, A means absent, means जहाँ पे life क्या हो? absent हो. means जिसमें life ना हो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? abiotic components. Like non-living things. What is the difference between living and non-living things? इसको मैं दूसरे वीडियो में बना चुकी हूँ, आप वहाँ से जाके देख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग को दो कैटेगरी में हम लोग कर रहे हैं, बायोटिक एंड. सेम चीज़ है, जैसे हम लोग लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग को डिवाइड करते हैं, सेम है. जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है वो एबायोटिक एंड जो लिविंग थिंग्स है वो बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स. एबायोटिक में लाइट, टेम्परेचर, एयर, वाटर, सॉइल एक्सेट्रा. एंड बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स में प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. Abiotic components is also known as the physical components. Abiotic components is also known as the physical components and biotic components are also known as the living components. Because abiotic components includes physical factors like light, temperature, air, it's all is the physical factor. So first we talk about the light. Light, from where we get light? We get light from the sun. So sun is the ultimate source of light on the earth. Light affects photosynthesis. Light affects photosynthesis, movement, flowering, growth, germination, etc. in plants. And it keeps some animals more active during daytime than at night. And next is the temperature. It also affects the various activities of living organism such as feeding, movement, growth and reproduction. And next is the air. We are living things. Take in oxygen through the process of respiration and give out the carbon dioxide. And plants take in carbon dioxide gas from air for making their food. During this process, they release oxygen gas which is used by all living beings for respiration. So, the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is balanced in the nature by two processes. First is respiration in animals or human beings and photosynthesis in plants. Next is water. We know that water is an essential constituent of our body. Only not our body. It is the essential constituent of body of all organisms. No organisms can live without water. Living beings need water for carrying out their life activities. And next is the soil. Soil is important for living things. It is essential for plants. Plants take water and minerals from soil and grow in it. Animals get food from the plants, and many animals live in the soil by making burrow and holes. And next is the biotic. Biotic is plants and animals. On the basis of feeding habitats, the biotic components are also divided into three categories. First is producers. Producers means plants. Second is consumers. Consumers means animals. And third is decomposers. And decomposers means microorganisms. I hope what is habitat and the components of habitat you understand well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.